Walmart Plus members often pay for the membership, but only use one or two features, even though the service is designed to replace several everyday shopping costs and routines. By the end of this, you'll know the Walmart Plus benefits most people ignore and how to actually use them in a way that saves time and makes shopping easier. Start with the most overlooked benefit: free delivery from your local Walmart store on eligible orders. Most people think of it like grocery delivery, but it also covers household items and restocks, which removes a lot of small repeat store trips. Another major benefit is scan and go in store using the Walmart app. You scan items as you shop, then pay in the app. That means you skip long checkout lines, especially during peak hours like weekends. Fuel savings is another feature many members don't fully use. Walmart Plus offers discounted fuel at participating stations. The key detail is that you have to activate it in the app before you start fueling, or you miss the discount entirely. Pharmacy delivery is also included in select areas. Prescriptions can be delivered instead of picked up, which helps if you regularly manage repeat medications and want fewer errands. Walmart Plus also includes early access to certain deals and promotions. That matters most during high-demand sale periods, where items can sell out quickly before general customers even see them. Another benefit is video streaming access through Paramount Plus Essential in some membership plans. Many users don't connect the two accounts, so they never activate what they're already paying for. The last one is return convenience. In many cases, you can start returns in the app and drop items off without reboxing everything, which removes one of the most annoying parts of online shopping. The real value of Walmart Plus isn't any single feature. It's combining delivery, in-store speed, and small recurring savings into one system that reduces errands across the week. To summarize, the biggest missed benefits are delivery for everyday items, faster in-store checkout, and fuel and subscription perks that need manual activation to actually work. A practical next step is to open your Walmart app and check which of these features are already active on your account, because most people are only using a fraction of what they're paying for. If this helped, like and subscribe for more simple breakdowns of tools and memberships that quietly save you time and money.